it's not live.
It's on? I think it's on now. So as usual, Warren, you summarized it extremely well. When we think of Nevada, it's exactly as you described. I would just add a few things. One, as you've touched on earlier, we absolutely support renewables. So we start with the fundamental concept that we are for solar, but as you highlighted, we want to purchase renewable energy at the market rate, not at a heavily subsidized rate that 1% of the customers will benefit from and harm the other 99%. And it goes back to being as fundamental as this. If you take, as you touched on, a working family in Nevada who can't afford the rooftop unit, and you ask them, do you want to subsidize your neighbor, that 1%? The answer is clearly no. At the same time, we're absolutely committed to Nevada utilizing renewable resources, and absolutely proud of what our team's doing. By 2019, we'll have eliminated or retired 76% of our coal units and be replacing it with solar energy. So we're on a great path there. Thank you. And we're just going to encourage our team, and with the work of the commission and obviously led by the state, we'll head down a great path. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, if the projectionist would put up slide 7, it will give you a view of what the situation is. And this counts all of our Berkshire Hathaway Energy operations. And you can see in the 20-year period, we'll have a 57% reduction. You wouldn't want a 100% reduction tomorrow. Believe me, the lights would be off all over the country. But it's moving at a fast pace. But you want to be sure that you treat fairly the people involved in this, because somebody pays the cost of electric generation. And I do think that if you're doing something that's to benefit the planet, and it's important that it be done, but that you have the cost be assessed for that, not on a specific person who's having trouble perhaps meeting ends meet in their job. And obviously, if you got over 1 million customers in Nevada, a lot of them are struggling. A lot of them are doing fine too. But they are not the ones, in my view, to subsidize the person who could afford to put the solar unit in.